you can also align the content of a specific cell. So if I got the word text there, and maybe I've got the very long one there that says this is text in this cell. So I'm just going to copy this down because I'm going to need a few options. So now if we had information in here, let's say we had numbers. Can you see what's happening now? It's cutting off my text, so we can't really see it. So if I want to align this, so I'm going to format cells. So now you can align it. So if I do it, for example, like this, can you see how it looks? So if I go back there, so everywhere I align it, it will just do it exactly the way I'm aligning it. So in this one we've got there, we can go back to this. We can say shrink to fit. So can you see now it will shrink it into this thing. If we make it bigger, it will still shrink it. If we make it smaller, you won't be able to see it. The other way of doing it, we could have selected both of this and then merge this. So I go back there, say merge cells. So what this will now do is the cells that we've selected, it will combine them. So can you see now we've got two cells there, we've got one cell there. So it's merged it. You can do as many cells if you want. If I select this whole range and say merge, you'll see now we've got one block there. So you can even move it. You see the options there under alignment. So I can put it exactly in the middle or on top, the left hand side. So there's a few options you can move it around with. So instead of right clicking, you can also find the same there. Then we've got wrap text, which will then increase the row size automatically and then split the text for you. So it's still one cell, it's now just split in two. So that's a few nice ways to do it. So all of this you can find in format cells as well, where you can see how it's aligned. You can see what side is it aligned to. So to recap, there's different ways. You can either align it to fit into a specific cell, or you can use wrap text to make the row bigger. You can use shrink to fit to make sure the specific text fits into the cell, or you can use merge and center to select more than one cell and make them the same. Then with merge cells, you can use these alignment tools here to make it a bit better for you. The last one I want to show you, if you've got text like this, you can use this increase indent to just move it to the side. So it's not inserting spaces, it's just moving it. So that is how you align cells with content.